Next topic, insert how to create the page numbers in MS Word. Click insert, there select the page numbers. The first one topic is top of the page numbers. I already given to the some examples is there. Left side of the page number, middle, right, and with the name is pages name, number and name. The next one is bottom of the page numbers. This is also left, center, right, and with the name. The next one, page margins. This is all page margins along with numbers. The next one, current page positions. Left side with names, right side, and this is the left side. All are left side given to the with page number. First word, next number, first number, and next page name. The next one, font page numbers. This change the format of the page numbers using in the header or footer. This is called a footer. How to create on that I am explaining. This is MS Word. Here click the insert. There selected header and footer after page numbers. The first one is top of the page number. I am selected middle one. This is given to the one page only, not required. Only 4 or 5 pages is required. You not there a paragraph in there. Paragraph, how to create on that? The easy command is there. First, size of the font is 11 compulsory. Thereafter is equal to, thereafter rank and open brackets 100 comma 1, close the 4 brackets. First command, see all of you, I am increase the numbers. This one, this is only small letters, rank. This command is compulsory given to the size is compulsory given to the must and should 11 only. After click enter. After click enter. The command is, see once I am increase the name size. RA is equal to RAND open brackets 100 comma 1. The close bracket is compulsory given to the 11, size 11, and after click the enter. The 5 pages matter will come to automatically. This is the command on that. This after giving to the page numbers here. And went to the first page of that. Click the insert given to the page number, top of that I am selected middle of that. All page numbers came. See all of you. First page, second page, third page, and fourth page. Now I am change the Roman numbers of that. Selected, I am here third page. Insert. Click change that one. Here this is the formatting bottom of the page number. How to given that, you know that. Next, how to given to the Roman numbers. Click format. Click the first page number. There select the page format page numbers. They change the Roman numbers. Convert to the Roman numbers. After starting which number in this one pages, I am creating third one. 1, 2, 3 in the big size. Small size I am giving. 2, 3. Click OK. Now the first page of the number is changed in the third. Number is changed in the third. I am increase the increase that one. See that. Third, this is the formatting. Numbers will change. How to get, when you are starting the pages will also. This is called a insert page numbers. How to create the down of the page numbers. Clicking cursor here, bottom of the page number, given the page numbers selected. Here comes to the page number. Same third one. Why you started number will not change there. Where you are not change there, click the page number, they format page. Okay, this is given to the 0, is not given that. Okay, click OK. Now change the page number. See here, this is 1. Now change the page number. I am increasing for that. Yes, the automatically change the footer also. This is the called page numbers. How to create. Thank you. Please subscribe my video.
Like a Hellcat.